So the flawed healthcare rollout has led to a breach in the public trust and confidence in government, and if so, how do you plan to resolve that?
There is no doubt that people are frustrated. We just came out of a shutdown, and the possibility that for the first time in over 200 years we wouldn't pay our bills. And people breathed a sigh of relief when that finally got done, and the next thing they know is that the president's healthcare reform can't get the website to work, and that there are these other problems with respect to cancellation notices. And I understand why folks are frustrated. I would be too, because sometimes people look at what's taking place in Washington and they say not enough is getting done that helps me with my life. And regardless of what Congress does, ultimately I'm the President of the United States, and they expect me to do something about it. So in terms of how I intend to approach it, I'm just going to keep on working as hard as I can around the priorities that the American people care about. And I think it's legitimate for them to expect me to have to win back some credibility on this health care law in particular, and on a whole range of these issues in general. And that's on me. I mean, we fumbled the rollout on this health care law. There are a whole bunch of things about it that are working really well, which people didn't notice, right? Because they weren't controversial. So making sure kids could stay on their parents' plans till they were up through the age of 25, and making sure that seniors got more discounts on their prescription drugs. There were a whole bunch of stuff that we did well over the first 3 years, but we always knew that these marketplaces, creating a place where people can shop and through competition get a better deal for the health insurance that their families need, we always knew that that was going to be complicated and everybody was going to be paying a lot of attention to it. And we should have done a better job getting that right on day one, not on day 28 or on day 40. I am confident that by the time we look back on this next year, that people are going to say, this is working well, and it's helping a lot of people. But my intention in terms of winning back the confidence of the American people is just to work as hard as I can, identify the problems that we've got, make sure that we're fixing them, whether it's a website, whether it is making sure that folks who've got these cancellation notices get help. We're just going to keep on chipping away at this until the job is done.